here, when we go for the core cable making, this is the payoff. This is a heating. This is a main machine. 2 layers together. This is a cross head. 2 layers together. This is a water tank. This is control boxes. This is the temperature control. This is details. Show us the details. This is the number inside. This is a meter pump. This is a water tank. And overseas here is a accumulator. This is a fixed water tank. This is main machine part broken for testing the core cable. This is spark test. This is test it. This is take up.
线呢进去。
这里面说啊。这是一个放线，这也是一个放线，对吗？这个也是一根线放。
对。
然后走过去有2个还是3个节距？
这边过来的话就有一个节距，
就有一个。然后这里再过去有一个，然后那里收再有一个。
啊，对对，
就总共有3个。
对对对对。会打开。
这里又有一个是吗？Use the CV motor, 2 CV motor to control the wires carrying, wires correct rate. So it will be 100% to reach the international standard like UL or CE standard for CAT6, CAT5, and CAT7 and CAT8. For the back paste use. Now you see they're doing CAT7 cable for manufacture. This is the payoff. You see each part is very stable. There's 2 different kind of colors. See here, it's very stable. This is taping packing. Each pair, 4 pairs, need to taping the aluminium tape. It's very stable. You see these 2, 3, 4 to confirm the quality of the cable making. This is outside jacket taping. outside design. This is a raw material. This is 70 jacket extrusion lines. This is magical powder payoff, as you saw here. This is striding. This is a main machine. This is a hopper and dryer. This is a water tank. This is control boxes. This is ink printing.
它这个是要油墨印制，这个喷码的是吧？必须要喷码。
Ink print.
这个呢？这个是干嘛的？凹凸印制机吗？
印制机对。
这油印还是凹凸印啊？
这是
凹凸印。凹凸印，应该是这样。
This is a capacitor. This is a pickup and a meter con.